I spend 3 hours weekly on ad account reports only. But now मैंने मेरा अकाउंट एआई के साथ कनेक्ट कर दिया है और अब मुझे सिर्फ 20 मिनट लगते हैं मेरे एड अकाउंट के डेटा को रिट्रीव करने के लिए, एंड वो भी क्लाइंट रेडी रिपोर्ट जो मैं डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड कर सकता हूँ एक्सेल में, एंड आई कैन शेयर इट विद द क्लाइंट. Let me show you how exactly I'm doing that. This isn't a copy paste spreadsheet ChatGPT old trick. Here I have attached my ad account connected with the AI so that it fetches the data automatically and I can create a client ready report in one go. My name is Prathamesh and I am running agency which is specially for D2C brands, and I'm running it successfully since 5 years now. And the exact same thing I am doing right now so that I can deliver the reports to my clients on a weekly basis without spending that 3 hours, remember? So let's go and dive into the screen. Okay, so now if you see on my screen, I have connected the ad account of one of my client directly to the Cloud. I am personally using Cloud code, which is very useful. So it is very simple. I directly connected it with the Cloud through the connectors through the MCP. MCP is something like, you can think of like this is a bridge between your ad accounts and your Cloud, so that your ad account and Claude can connect with each other and pull the data for you. I have already given the link into the description for the step by step how you can connect the MCP to the Claude so that Meta ads will directly talk to your Claude, right? But how to do that, I'll just show you in a simple way. So there are so many MCPs right now available in the market. Even Meta's official MCP has already launched. So you can use Meta's official MCP also, right? So let's go ahead and see how we can do that. So here in a code, if I click on customize, okay, there will be one window which will open. If I go to the connectors over here, if you see, I have a lot of connectors which is connected over here. There is some Amplify connector is there. If you see here, there is Gmail is connected, Meta MCP is connected, Shopify is connected. All of these connectors which I personally use is connected to my Claude, so that whatever things that I am doing can do through the Claude, and it can connect with the MCPs, different kind of tools, and it can fetch the data at one particular chat. Okay, so let's say here, this is the Meta MCP that I have connected. It's very simple. You just need to see this link. Okay, this is the particular thing which I am going to give you in a description. Again, you can go to the description and check the doc where I given the step-by-step information how you can connect the MCP of Meta to the Claude so that it will automatically work. Okay, once this is connected and the permission is granted, you just need to go back. You can go to the Claude Code or Claude Chat or Claude Covert depending on you. I personally use the Claude Code a lot because that is very useful for me and I am very comfortable with the Claude. You can use the Covert also, you can use the chat also, and remember this is a downloaded application of Claude. I am not using it on a web. I have downloaded the application of the Claude and here I am using everything. Now I have the chat already running. Here I just need to give one prompt, and this is the prompt that I am going to give it to the Claude. And this prompt, no worries, this will also be there into the description box below so that you can directly copy and paste. Pull the 30 days data from the for the ad account, and this ad account is already connected. How to connect, again description में link है, वहां से आप उसको connect कर सकते हो. Step by step guidance मैंने दे दिया है वहां पे. ठीक है, once you connected, you just need to give this prompt that pull all the 30 days data from my Meta ad account and create a report for these things which I have already written into the chat. This particular chat prompt I'll just give you into the description link. Okay, once I've done that, Claude will start working because it is directly connected with my ad account. Also, it is connected with my Shopify account as well. So if I require to generate a report for Shopify, if I require to generate a report for any ad accounts into the Meta, I can do that. Okay, but keep it separate for every ad account. Like, see, I have just for different clients, I have just created different projects. You can do that, or you can do it in a one chat, but in one chat everything will be messy, and you know that, right? So you need to create different chats for the different clients, and you can generate the reports automatically, and that chats will go on running. Okay, so you don't need to give the context again and again. Now I have given this prompt to the chat, right? But after this, I can just like type one line, get 30 days report. It have all the context into the chat. So you don't need to worry about it. You don't need to do anything on that. Just write a one line and it will start fetching the report on next week. Right? So now let's see how the report will look like. Now, if you see, it started generating the report. And if I go down, it's already break down the campaign wise report, campaign to campaign, all the things, what kind of a sprint I have done, what kind of a purchases that I have got, what kind of a ROAS that I have got. Apart from that, what is the exact spend, what kind of a net worth in Shopify. I have already connected it with the Shopify, so it is taking the Shopify as well to the consideration of while creating a report. So you don't need to think of that these numbers are real or not. These numbers are actually numbers, and this is cross corrected with the both platforms, because sometimes Meta is giving you the false report, sometimes Shopify is giving you a false report. False means there will be some kind of a data validation which is not updated into the Meta sometimes, not updated into the Shopify sometimes. So when we are combine both, and then it is cross-checking all the numbers and giving you the numbers which is exactly the right that you can showcase to your client. So it is already created. Now that I have all the data over here, which is a CPM spend, everything is already here. It is already connected. So now what I'll ask him is a single line or a couple of lines, you can say, download this data into the spreadsheet, and also whatever things that I required, what kind of a sheet I required, I ask him to give it to you. Okay, I'll give this prompt again into the description so that you can copy and paste and use that prompt directly to your account. So you don't need to write it again and again. So once I enter, let us see what cloud will give us. That it started working, and in some time we will get the exact Excel sheet that we require, which we used to make 3 hours, or we used to spend 3 hours to create that, while checking all the data manually and do the corrections over there so that it will be complete. All of the permission which is required, you just need to allow that permission so that you will get the so that Claude will get that access, which is whichever tool he required from your computer, and it will save the copy of that Excel sheet on your computer itself. Now, if you see, it is already created one Excel sheet which is on my computer. I can just right click on this. I can see it over here also, but I prefer to open it into the Explorer. Okay, now let's open it and see what is the data that we have got. And now if you see the report, how good this report is, you don't need to even think of it. You don't need to spend a lot of time. This is the particular client meta performance report. Okay, if you see, all the metrics have given over here. Along with that, it has given me all the structures campaigns. Okay, whatever the campaign that I have run till now, it is given me all the data of that particular campaign that I can use. So now this is the ready to use report that I can actually share with the client. So hope you understand everything. Don't forget how to connect the MCP. I already given into the description. You can check that link so that you will able to understand everything. Apart from that, I have my own AI marketing toolkit that I am personally using in my particular performance marketing agency to grow my agency, to automate my work, and everything should be in time. So you can just go ahead and check that toolkit as well. That is free for you. Comment toolkit and I will give you that AI marketing toolkit directly in your DMs. Now, thank you so much, and let's see you in next video.